6th Street.
Car number 49, starter, still does not like what he sees. Somebody is obviously jumping the gun, so they'll have to do it one more time. You see, it's first race, so everybody trying to get the chitters out. So I guess man, I just press gas them, no matter wait on green flag. Starter doesn't like that at all, so he's sending them back around one more time. Hopefully this time, all of the nerves and the little edginess is gone and they will be able to maintain their grid positions. The Lubitz sponsored Audi pace car should be back out to make his way ahead of the pack. And already, Demar leading the pack, Sheldon. It is still Demar Lee ahead of Sheldon Morgan. Sheldon is running in the class IP3. Alongside Demar, so Demar definitely ahead of Sheldon for that class. Sebastian Ray just behind. I see Nicholas Barnes, it seems, has pulled off. I heard a little sound earlier when he was doing qualification, and unfortunately it looks like something has gone wrong with his machine, but I'm sure the big water crew will sort it out shortly. Sheldon Morgan. Patrick Patterson and Lamar Larman. The young prince. like a drag race between Patrick Patterson and where is my rear wheel driver? Oh, here he comes. Sounding like he's having a little bit of issues. Not so sure what it's all about, but Alonso switching up around the Lubitz hairpin. With just 2 laps to go, Senna is going to ensure that he takes this one home. And he will now encounter traffic. Robin Sutherland, Sebastian Ray, no doubt trying to capitalize on that. But Senna, I must tell you, Senna is IP1, so he is really very fast. Sebastian Ray is leading for IP3, with Lamar Lama so far in second. Left to go, and it will be checkered flag if Senna continues in the mode that he has been, and it is indeed. Senna Somerville taking it home for improved production 1. Sebastian Ray taking it home for improved production 3. Patrick Patterson. Marvin Hoyt. Round of applause for Senna Somerville. Daddy is proud, I am sure. Matthew Lee holding his checkered flag for improved production class 2. This is the future of motorsports, ladies and gentlemen.